Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to use table border painter in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take a table. Now we want to use table border painter. Click the table cell and go to the table design menu. Then click the line color option and choose any color. Now I select the red color. Now we want to use the table border painter. Select some cells, then go to the borders drop down menu and choose all borders. Then click outside of the table and we can see we use table border painter very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.